In this video, let's talk about how do Ford wheel spacers work.
Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-grade Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Using Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers allow you to safely fit wider tires on your existing wheels, or upgrade to bigger wheels without rubbing against the frame, wheel hub assembly, and other suspension components, improving traction and handling even more. If you're looking to upgrade the wheels with good Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers, then look no further than BONOSS. BONOSS manufactures a huge range of Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers to fit a massive variety of different wheels and applications. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent factory to the highest quality and are full of more than 66 SGS and TV test report. BONOSS also offers a choice of wheel spacer size to 50mm to 50mm. BONOSS Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent thickness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties. Compared with industry standards, the cheap spacers that use low-quality materials are not strong enough and will default and endanger driver safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS forged FT cooling Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers. These notches act as regulators which tremendously nurture the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged FT cooling Ford Bronco Sport wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives driver peace of mind.
Once again, my name is Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.